हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। टू दोज हु आर न्यू हियर, आई एम सलोनी मुथा। आजकल जैसे ही इंस्टाग्राम खोलो, फेसबुक खोलो, कोई ना कोई शादी करता हुआ दिख रहा है। तो जब वेडिंग का सीज़न चल ही रहा है तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आपके लिए एक वेडिंग गेस्ट मेकअप पर वीडियो बनाऊं। दुल्हन के साथ साथ आपका सुंदर दिखना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो या टू नो हाउ आई क्रिएट दिस लुक, प्लीज़ कीप ऑन वॉचिंग। I'm using the orange shade from MAC Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Medium Deep to neutralize my dark circles. This is an amazing palette. You can use this palette to neutralize your dark circles, to highlight your face, to contour as well as to conceal your dark circles. This matte and poreless foundation is from Maybelline in the shade 310. This is a very beginner friendly foundation. It blends very easily as well as it gives you a medium to full coverage. I am using the same MAC Conceal and Correct palette. I will be using this slightly yellow shade to highlight my under eyes as well as the high points of my face. I'm using this slightly darker shade from the same MAC Conceal and Correct palette to contour my face. Well, this shade looks a bit more warm on my skin, and to be honest, I don't like my contour to be in the warm tone, but I will make it work anyway. I will be using this light pink liquid lipstick from NYX as a blush today. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 25 to set my base in place. Make sure all the foundation settled in the crease line is blended well before setting your base. I'm using this MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade 35 right below my contour as well as on all the high points of my face. Well, my actual shade is NC42, but to give a slightly highlighted effect, I'm using the shade NC35. I'm using this Hoola contour powder from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade Caramel. This product is insanely pigmented, so you have to be very careful while using this product. Here I'm using a powder blush from Sephora. I'm using this rose scented MAC Fix Plus to set my base. For eyes, I will be using this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude. I'm using this purple shade foil eyeshadow to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. I will be using this dusty pink shade in the crease. I will be using this subtle brown shade on the lid area. I am using the same brown shade on the lower lash line. Here I am using L'Oreal Gel Crayon. I am using a smudging brush to smudge the liner and give it a smoked out effect. I am using a black eyeshadow to blend all the harsh edges. I'm using the same brown shade and blending it with the black eyeshadow so that all the shades are blended together. I'm using the same black gel crayon by L'Oreal on my waterline. I'm using a smudging brush to blend all the harsh edges. I'm using a brown eyeshadow to give it a smoky effect. I'm using my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit for highlighting. This liquid lipstick is from Nykaa in the shade Gul.
And here is the final look, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now. Thank you.